What's up, guys? It's me. I'm back. I'm getting tired of of uploading lots and lots of videos. So I just want to make more videos for you guys. For real. I just want to make more videos for you guys to enjoy it this time now. So yeah, yeah. Oh shit, what did I just do? Now I have the dance skin there. Hey. So what do you guys want me to play? Oh, yeah. I can buy a game. Let's buy a game. But only free games. Let's do that. Yeah, actually, I buy that. App recorders. The app recorders. So, how are you guys doing? Are you guys doing fine? No, me too. Screen recorders, that is what it's called. So, I just put this, see, this don't want you guys to steal my, that. Don't want you to see it. So, I just may do something quick. I don't know. Still, it's still recording. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired of making lots of videos for you guys. I just am. I just am. I know Pokemon Go already have the Morpha in game already. What do you put it in the comment section below on what games do you guys have? ADBO. Yeah, put it in the comment section below on what videos do you guys want me to get, or what games do you have and you want me to get. Let's see. Someone's wait. Actually, wait a second. I played Five Nights at Freddy's before. I did play Five Nights at Freddy's. Top paid. I didn't pay it. I got it on App Toy, which is an app. It's an app that's like an app store. No, that's like an app store. Yeah, it's like an app store, and when you put Minecraft Pocket Edition, it'll come out. True Skate. I already played that game. Five Nights at Freddy's. I played that game already. I'm not that scared much. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. It came out for me. Bought that. Bought that. Bought that. Let's create pottery. What the fuck? Is that Five Nights at Freddy's 2? I played that game already. The Sims 3. I played that game already. Call of Duty. You guys have Call of Duty, don't you? Oh yeah. Grand Theft Auto Vice City. I tried to play that game. The Room. Ooh, that sounds like Goat Simulator. It's so bad. I want that game. Backflip Madness. I know how that is. See this one here. Backflip Madness. Entertainment. Oh, no. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. What games are these? 3D skins. I don't need that. I don't need that. So, let's see. Let flip. Ow! I hurt myself. I barely hurt myself. Ouch, that hurt. That hurt. App recorders. I don't need that. I am gonna make videos on my new YouTube channel. Yeah, I am. What else? Next car game. Next car game. Well, the freak. Wait, what just happened, Mo? Multiplayer. Multiplayer. I want to play with more people. I like to play with more people in the world. I like to play more people in the world, you know. I don't care about this update, you know, this update here. Follow that. Car Crash 2. It's a multiplayer. Let's buy this game. Let's get this game. Oh yeah. Total destruction. Oh yeah, this had more people playing. You son of a bitch. I know what to do. I know what to do. No, follow that. I got some things to erase, guys, you know? Maybe enough. I don't know. I'm gonna do some things here. Recordable chart boost, data, blah, blah. SoundCloud, Aptoids, and Sandbox. Screen recorders, screen to video. I'm gonna. Ow! That hurt. Now let's see if it's going to work. Because I need those things. Bye. Come on, bye. Fuck. Why isn't this working? You guys tell me, huh? The Minecast, of course, this doesn't work. The Minecast doesn't work, of course. So let's erase to record. What the freak?